Embarking on the path to becoming a data analyst is an exciting endeavor. It requires dedication, a structured approach, and a realistic timeline. This roadmap is designed to guide aspiring data analysts through a comprehensive 3 to 6 month journey. It emphasizes the significance of consistent effort, daily learning, and leveraging available resources. Many individuals dream of transitioning into the data analytics field. However, it is crucial to understand that shortcuts are ineffective. Success in this domain demands commitment and a willingness to invest time and effort. This roadmap will outline the essential skills needed. It will also provide insights into effective learning strategies. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Your commitment to daily study and consistent progress will be the key to unlocking your potential in data analytics. As you progress through this roadmap, embrace the challenges and celebrate each milestone. To excel as a data analyst, one must develop proficiency in a core set of skills. These skills form the foundation upon which you will build your data analysis capabilities. This section will delve into 4 essential skills: Power BI, SQL, Python, and Pandas. Power BI, a leading business intelligence tool, empowers data analysts to transform raw data into insightful visualizations and reports. Mastering Power BI can significantly enhance career prospects in the field. SQL, or structured query language, is crucial for effectively managing and querying data within relational databases. Python, a versatile programming language coupled with its powerful data manipulation library, Pandas, has become indispensable in data analysis. Proficiency in Python and Pandas is highly sought after by employers in the data analytics industry. As you embark on your data analytics journey, it is essential to stay cautious of industry scams. Many fraudulent schemes prey on aspiring data analysts, promising unrealistic results within short periods. Remember, there are no shortcuts to success. Practical knowledge and hands-on experience are invaluable assets in data analytics. Seek out opportunities to apply your skills to real-world projects. Engage in online communities and forums to learn from experienced professionals. Consistency is key. Dedicate a specific time each day to studying and practicing your skills. Utilize tools like Notion to organize your learning materials and track your progress. Embrace the challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth.